Aloha, it's a beautiful day on Oahu. I just wanted to make a quick video about the upcoming solar eclipse. I have some simple household materials I'm going to use to replicate this experiment for the Earth. I'm going to use this autographed Ted Williams baseball. Just kidding, it's some minor league guy. Also got this fuzzy little ball I'm going to use as the moon. The hula hoop here is going to simulate the moon's orbital path around Earth. And just to check some of my measurements here, hula hoop is 22.5 inches wide, so I'm going to put the point on this protractor at 11.25. So right now this protractor showing the degrees is right in the middle of the circle. So again, this is the Earth, and this is the moon. So NASA tells us that the Earth spins on its axis about 1,000 miles an hour, 360 degrees in one day. And they tell us that the moon is traveling in the same direction the Earth is spinning, but it takes 27.3 days to make a full orbit around the Earth. Now, you might get a little tripped up by the miles per hour. They say that the moon is traveling twice as fast as the Earth is spinning, but let's look at it in terms of degrees per day. So if the circle represents 360 degrees and the Earth is spinning 360 degrees in one day, it means it makes one full revolution, 360 degrees in one day. The moon, however, takes 27.3 days to make a complete 360 degrees. So how many degrees does it travel in one day? Well, if you take 360 and divide it by 27.3, you'll find that it's 13 degrees. So I'm going to show you guys how far the moon is actually traveling per day. And I'm going to use this dowel rod, nice and straight, to make my marks. Okay, have a look here. So at 0 degrees, the dowel rod is perfectly aligned with the protractor. I'm going to rotate it to the 13-degree mark because that's how much the moon supposedly orbits per day around the Earth. And I'm going to make a mark right on the hula hoop here. So again, here's the Earth. Earth spins 360 degrees in one day. The moon travels 13 degrees in one day. So if I start up my mark here, 13 degrees, it travels that far in one day. Okay, now I got the light shining directly on the ball, Earth. Moon's coming around, and notice when it makes the shadow on the Earth, it travels west to east, just like we're told the solar eclipse is going to travel, right? But here's the problem. The Earth is spinning this direction, right? And it's spinning at 360 degrees per day. The moon is traveling 13 degrees per day, which is only about that much. So because the moon is only traveling at a fraction of the degrees that the Earth's spin is traveling at, it doesn't make sense that the eclipse shadow is traveling from west to east. Either the Earth would have to spin in the opposite direction, or the moon would have to travel exponentially faster around the Earth. I'm thinking somebody's lying here.